Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I'm going to explore another perfume, one of my favorites from Amouage, and that is a perfume that you can apply both in summers and winters. Mostly I would recommend it for summers. So this is Amouage, the green one, this one, Epic Man. So this is Amouage Epic Man. This is one of the best perfumes I have sniffed from Amouage. I'm very picky about perfumes. I really don't enjoy most of them. I get headaches from most of them. So this is one of the perfumes bottle that doesn't give headache. This is the box. So this is the box and it opens like this. It has some magnetic holder, I think. I'm not sure it's magnetic or not, but seems like magnetic. But it's a nice one. Simple, elegant like this. So there is the bottle inside it. To keep it safe, there is some foam padding, and this is the bottle. This is the bottle. And about the smell, so I really love enjoy the caps of the Amouage. They are very nice. There is a little bit of kind of small gem kind of feeling over here at the top. You can see, if you can see, let me show you a bit close up. So you can see at the top we have, oops, here we go. So here we have the top. You can see it has some kind of small gem, green gem. I really love these small touches. Now about the smell, I really don't enjoy the top notes of this perfume because sometime for this particular perfume, sometime I get a very powdery, fresh kind of light powdery smell, which I really don't like. But for the dry down, I really love the dry down of this perfume. If I have to apply it, I apply it in the evening or maybe night, and when I wake up, I love the dry down of this particular perfume, which is kind of light, sweet, you can say incense that has been burned on your clothes or on your skin. It is very lovely. It doesn't seem like any smoky smell, very light smoke with such sweetness and incense. That is the dry down of this perfume. So for the top notes, you will get some fresh spicy kind of feeling that has some powdery effect, like you have lilac or lilac flower. I think I smell a powdery, light powdery floral touch in it. That is why I don't like the top notes of this perfume. So they have listed many, you can say many notes over there. I would list them over here. But right now, if I describe it in two words, that it starts off a little bit fresh, spicy, light powdery with some floral touches, like a baby powder in the start. I would say that. I would be, blunt about it. But for the dry down, I really enjoy the dry down. It is kind of very lovely, sweet, very well balanced incense that has been burned inside your room, or maybe some agarwood the wood piece has been burned inside your room with some sweetness added to it. So this is really lovely, and if I recommend that you buy this one, this is for summers. I think I would really use this in summers. In winters, you can pull this off too. It is all season. I think it is all season perfume, but I would apply most of it in summers because it is a fresh, spicy kind of light, spicy and incensey kind of perfume. So that is my review about Amouage Epic Man, and I hope you have enjoyed this review about this particular perfume, and that is all. So I recommend that you get this one for your summers, and you would really enjoy it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and love my review about Amouage Epic Man. and we will meet in another video with another scent and explore new scents. I will keep on coming with great perfumes I have enjoyed and experienced, and I will try to simplify them as much as I can. So make sure you try and test them before you buy it. I would never recommend that you blind buy any perfume. Okay, so that is all. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, we will meet in another video. Bye bye and take care.